Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the ChatGPT app and signing in. If you don't have an account, create one with email or phone. Once done, confirm basic permissions like microphone and notifications so voice and alerts work. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or a stable mobile connection to avoid interruptions. You'll see a main chat screen and a prompt bar. Tap the bar to start a conversation. From here, you're ready for the first query or voice command. You now focus on composing prompts that get useful answers. State the goal, desired format, and length. For example, ask, summarize in 5 bullets or provide a sample output to guide style. Once typed or spoken, review and add constraints like dates or word limits so the model stays on task. If you need richer output, ask for steps, examples, or counterpoints. You can toggle voice versus text input and edit the draft to You finish by reviewing the response and asking for clarifications or revisions until it fits your needs. Once satisfied, save, export, or copy the output. Pin or label the chat for easy retrieval. If the app misbehaves, first check your internet connection and app updates, then restart the app or device. If you hit rate limits or odd answers, restate constraints, provide more context, or try a simpler request. That troubleshooting tip will resolve most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.